What to do if your pet eats something toxic? No one wants to think about their beloved pet licking up paint thinner or laundry detergent. But accidental pet poisonings happen. And they're far more common than you might think. Here's what you should do if your pet gets into something she shouldn't. Plus, the one thing you should never do if you suspect that your pet has consumed a poisonous substance. Common toxins to watch for. Chances are, there's more dangerous stuff lurking in your home than you might think. According to the ASPCA, these are the potentially poisonous items that pets most often get into. Human medications including prescription, OTC, and natural herbs and supplements. Human food including chocolate, coffee, onions, garlic, grapes, raisins, and xylitol. Insecticides and rodenticides. Household items including cleaning products, paint, and lawn and garden products. Veterinary medications. They can be dangerous if your pet consumes more than he or she needs. Houseplants including aloe, chamomile, and many types of ivy. Symptoms to watch for. Signs of toxicity can vary depending on your type of pet or what your pet has ingested. But they could include things like vomiting or diarrhea, shaking, lack of coordination, coughing, sneezing, trouble breathing, or seizures. Watch out for unusual behavior, too. Lack of appetite, drinking more than usual, sluggishness, and even extreme excitability all suggest that something could be wrong. If you come across a container that's open or spilled, or find an empty wrapper or torn open packaging, think about whether your pet could have gotten into the item. If there's even a chance that the answer could be yes, you should assume that she could be at risk for being poisoned. If that happens, here's what you should do. 1. Put your pet in a safe space. Get her away from the toxin so she can't ingest any more of it. If you have any other animals, secure them in a separate space so they can't come in contact with the poisonous substance or with your pet. 2. Call the vet immediately. If it's after hours and your vet isn't open, call the nearest 24-hour veterinary hospital or ASPCA's 24-hour emergency hotline. 3. Try to keep your pet from grooming himself, especially if you think the substance might have gotten on his fur or paws. You may need to bathe your pet to wash the contaminant off. But check with your vet first. Never try to induce vomiting without your vet's okay. You could end up making things worse instead of better. Some ingested products can cause severe esophageal irritation if vomited back up. Treatment options. The best treatment option will depend on your type of pet or what your pet ingested. Your vet might recommend bringing your pet in to give him IV fluids, induce vomiting, or administer activated charcoal. She'll also determine whether your pet needs further treatment. We all hope that we never find ourselves in this position. If you are, it's best to keep your veterinarian's contact info in a place that you will be able to find it at a moment's notice. It's also a good practice to keep the info of your local 24-hour emergency pet clinic and ASPCA's 24-hour emergency hotline in the same place. If there's one lesson you can learn from this video, it is to contact your vet right away if you suspect your pet has ingested anything poisonous. Don't try to treat your pet yourself, as this could cause more damage. And definitely don't wait and see what happens, because it's much more likely your pet will make a full recovery if you act quickly. If you find these videos informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel.